This is my setup right here. I got two panels right here. They're 320 watt each. So altogether, both of them giving me 640 watts. These are some, I think they're like Renogy or Synergy. So anyway, whatever name it is, Synergy or something of the sort. Okay. This is a temporary setup right here. Got it tilt, and that's about maybe a 30-degree angle or so. When I did the little test, that's where I get my maximum amount. Right now, this is my wire running from a PV. So that's coming in, bringing in all the voltage. Alright, comes to my test board. It's overcast right now, so right now this is my Epever, and this is 60 amp Epever Mppt charge controller. This is the Wi-Fi little dongle, so you can actually monitor all the stuff. You can change settings, all that stuff. So this is the wireless part of it. This is my circuit breaker for my PV cutoff. So that's my PV comes in, my PV out, and it goes to the Mppt charge controller. These down here is my bus bars. This is my positive bus bar, and this is my negative bus bar. Now in the future I'm gonna cut these bus bars because I mean this is like a waste of bus bar anyway, just not the time. I'm gonna cut it in half, use half here and half over here. That would be, I mean, there's a lot of bus bar right here. I don't need that much bus bar, but just what was available to me at the time. This is my cutoff switch for my batteries. So my batteries right here, cutoff switch. And this is my circuit breaker from inverter. So my inverter comes from the positive bus bar, which I'm using these little, they're really flexible. These are actually 4 gauge. It goes to my inverter on my positive, and negative runs through that circuit breaker and goes to my inverter. Right now it's off. Anyway, this is the LiPo battery. I'm using a LiPo battery. This is actually a 12 volt system, so I'm using one LiPo battery. It's a 12 volts. Claim it's 200 amp an hour battery, but it's actually 80 amps after testing it. So I got ripped off from AliExpress, or whosoever selling on AliExpress claimed to be PFBD, whatever they call themselves. It's a damn ripoff. Anyway, I'm gonna change these and put bolts. I haven't really cut them yet, and get rid of these. They're tight anyway for the test. These I'm using right here, they're 2 alt cable. These are 2 alt cable, and these are 4 gauge. That's coming from it's feeding my Mppt charge control, and it's also using it to charge the batteries. So that's what I got right there. This that comes from a PV. That's a 12. No, I'm sorry. This is 10 gauge. This is 10 gauge. 10 gauge cable. 2 conductor. 10 gauge. That comes from the PVs through the circuit breaker and to the Mppt charge controller. Okay, I got this right now. I gotta tighten these. Oh man, you know what? I gotta tighten these right here. So hang on a sec. So I can hold this so you guys can see. Make this connection. Okay. right here, this is your AC in. This is AC in, you got a line in, this is your live, your neutral, and your ground. And that's just if you, for example, if you want to charge your batteries, if you know, like now for example it's overcast, so it's not much coming from the PV, so you can either put a generator to this, or you can put your grid connect to that for charging purposes. This right here, it's the AC out 1, AC out 2. I'm going to connect to the AC out 1. Black is my live that I'm going to put right here. White is my neutral that will go in the middle, and green is my ground. Okay. That. About 10 or 15 foot on the torque, just hand tight. Hand tight is good enough. Certainly not gonna fall out. Okay, that's good right there. Okay, I got this right here. Screwed it on. Okay, this is an old extension cord. I got this plugged into the PDU, the power strip. Got a cutoff switch and also got a little 15 amp breaker. Got some outlets back there. So let's put this back on. Matter of fact, yeah, I forget to say this is a 12 volt system. I mean, it's a 12 volt setup. 3000 VA. That's like 2400 watts, if I'm not mistaken. Oops, come on. Man, I got a dog fighter or something over there. What's going on? Okay. Okay. Here. And this one. All right. And we're going to charge this battery. Right now there's nothing on this battery. Didn't realize it run down so much. So let's use some sun power and charge this battery. Plug in over there. Alright, let's see what we're getting from the sun here before I turned on. Okay, it's reading. And this is what that's that stuff right there. The Wi-Fi stuff, and this is the app. I'm trying to get it connected to the network. Okay, if I can focus. Okay, so right now I'm getting okay. Turn that little breaker on right there. And then hit my on switch. There we go. And we're charging. Oops. Yep, that's the one I want. Okay, look at that. My battery volts drop. It's charging. Seems like I'm I might have to make some adjustment. The power from the 18 watts. Capacity. The battery's going down, so I think I'm taking more from the system than what I'm getting from the sun. It shouldn't be going down. I mean, I know it's overcast. So my current drop. It's going down. I went back up. Okay. So I'll have to make some adjustment. Let's see what's going on. Battery. Advance. And this is what I got right now. So I mean, if someone get in the comment section and actually let me know where I should put these, so I can get a better performance out of this battery, or off the system overall I should say. Okay, go back. I also need to get this on my network. I guess it's to go right here. Each time I try to actually registered, I get registered. The verification, it's saying some error or whatever. I don't know what's going on with it, but something's going on with the cloud. I don't know what's happening with it. Let me see here. Oops. Okay, kill that. How do I find that again? Epever. Local. Wi-Fi. So I should, with those two panels, I should be getting enough so I can charge a battery. I shouldn't be pulling that much. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll certainly have a part 2 of this. Okay, alright, bye.